Welcome to the Ultimate Science Quiz. Test your science knowledge and keep track of your score. Each correct answer earns you a point. The questions start easy, then get harder. Can you make it through all 50? Stick around for a bonus round at the end. What is the chemical symbol for water? H2O, O2, CO2. The correct choice is A. What planet is known as the red planet? Venus, Mars, Jupiter. You got it if you picked B. Mars is called the red planet due to its reddish appearance from iron oxide. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. The right answer is B. Plants take in carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. How many bones are in the human body? 206, 205, 201. You're on the right track with A. How do plants produce their own food? Digestion, photosynthesis, respiration. If you picked B, you're correct. Plants produce food through photosynthesis, using sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. What is the largest organ in the human body? Heart, liver, skin. If you chose C, you nailed it. The skin is the largest organ, covering the entire body. What is the boiling point of water in degrees Celsius? 90 degs, 100 deg C, 110 deg C. The right pick here is B. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Venus, Earth, Mercury. You're spot on if you went with C. What is the primary gas found in the Earth's atmosphere? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. The answer you're looking for is C. Nitrogen makes up about 78% of the Earth's atmosphere. What is the smallest unit of life? Atom, cell, molecule. The right answer is B. A cell is the smallest unit of life that can function independently. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Nucleus, mitochondria, ribosome. If you guessed B, you're correct. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell because they produce energy. What is the main component of the Earth's core? Iron, nickel, lead. The answer is A. What is the speed of light? 300,000 kms, 150,000 kms, 600,000 kms. You got it if you said A. Which part of the brain controls balance? Cerebrum, cerebellum, brainstem. B is the right choice. The cerebellum is responsible for coordinating balance and movement. What type of bond involves the sharing of electron pairs between atoms? Ionic, covalent, hydrogen. You nailed it with B. Which planet is known for its rings? Saturn, Mars, Neptune. A is the one to go with. What is the term for an organism's role in its environment? Habitat, niche, ecosystem. The answer you want is B. What type of electromagnetic radiation has the longest wavelength? Gamma rays, X-rays, radio waves. If you chose C, you're spot on. What is the pH level of pure water? 5, 7, 9. The right answer is B. Which gas is produced during photosynthesis? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. You got it if you picked A. Oxygen is released as a byproduct of photosynthesis in plants. What is the main function of red blood cells? Fight infections, carry oxygen, clot blood. You're right if you went with B. What is the term for the phenomenon where light bends as it passes through different mediums? Reflection, refraction, diffraction. The answer is B. What element is diamond made of? Carbon, silicon, oxygen. If you picked A, you're correct. Diamond is a crystalline form of carbon. What is the main gas responsible for climate change? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, methane. The right answer is B. What is the name of the first artificial satellite launched into space? Apollo 11, Sputnik 1, Voyager 1. You nailed it with B. Sputnik 1 was the first artificial satellite launched by the Soviet Union in 1957. What type of reaction absorbs energy? Exothermic, endothermic, combustion. You're spot on with B. What is the strongest type of bond in chemistry? Ionic, covalent, hydrogen. If you guessed B, you got it right. What is the term for the change of a substance from solid to gas without becoming liquid? Melting, sublimation, vaporization. The correct choice is B. Which law states that energy cannot be created or destroyed? Newton's first law, law of conservation of energy. Boyle's law. If you said B, you're spot on. What is the term for a particle with a positive charge? Neutron, electron, proton. You're right if you chose C. What type of radiation is used in medical imaging? Ultraviolet, X-rays, infrared. The correct answer is B. What is the most abundant gas in the universe? Oxygen, hydrogen, helium. The answer you want is B. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, making up about 75% of its elemental mass. What is the study of living organisms called? Biology, chemistry, physics. If you guessed A, you're correct. What part of the cell contains the genetic material? Cytoplasm, nucleus, membrane. You nailed it with B. The nucleus contains the cell's genetic material, or DNA, which scientists developed the theory of evolution by natural selection. Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton, Charles Darwin. If you picked C, you're right. What is the main source of energy for the Earth, the Sun, the Moon, the stars? You're spot on with A. What is the chemical formula for table salt? Sodium chloride, potassium chloride, calcium chloride. The answer is A. table salt is composed of sodium and chlorine in a 1-to-1 ratio. What is the force that keeps planets in orbit around the Sun? Gravity, magnetism, friction. If you chose A, you got it right. What is the name of the process by which cells divide? Metabolism, mitosis, diffusion. The answer is B. Mitosis is the process through which a cell divides into 2 daughter cells. What is the most abundant protein in the human body? Collagen, hemoglobin, keratin. You're spot on with A. Now we're at the final stage, the hard questions. Only true science buffs will be able to get these. If you're still with us, get ready for some deep dives into advanced concepts. Let's see how far you can go. What phenomenon occurs when the moon passes between the Earth and the Sun? Lunar eclipse, solar eclipse, tidal locking. The answer you're looking for is B. What is the term for the movement of tectonic plates? Convection, plate tectonics, continental drift. You nailed it with B. What type of chemical reaction involves the exchange of ions? Synthesis, decomposition, double displacement. The right pick here is C. What is the primary function of the immune system? Produce energy, fight infections, regulate temperature. If you said B, you're correct. The immune system's main role is to defend against pathogens and infections. What is the term for a change in a species over time? Adaptation, evolution, speciation. The answer is B. What is the main purpose of DNA? Energy storage, genetic information, structural support. You got it if you picked B. What is the phenomenon where light waves spread out after passing through a small opening? Diffraction, refraction, reflection. You're spot on with A. What is the unit of measure for electrical resistance? Volt, ampere, ohm. The answer is C. What type of wave is light? Longitudinal wave, transverse wave, mechanical wave. The answer is B. What is the main difference between a comet and an asteroid? Comets are icy, asteroids are rocky. Comets are metallic, asteroids are gaseous. Comets orbit the Earth, asteroids orbit the Moon. The answer is A. Comets are composed mainly of ice and dust, while asteroids are primarily made of rock and metal. Wow. If you've made it this far, you've done an incredible job. But hold on, we're not done yet. It's time for a special bonus round, where we've got 5 extremely challenging questions for you. These will push the boundaries of your knowledge, so take a deep breath and get ready. What is the rarest naturally occurring element on Earth? Francium, astatine, technetium. The answer is B. Astatine is the rarest naturally occurring element on Earth, with only about 1 gram existing at any given time. In quantum mechanics, what term describes the phenomenon where particles can instantaneously affect each other's state, regardless of distance? Quantum tunneling, quantum entanglement, quantum decoherence. The answer is B. What is the theoretical temperature at which all particle motion ceases? Absolute zero, negative zero, superconducting point. The answer is A. What is the only planet in our solar system that rotates clockwise on its axis? Neptune, Venus, Uranus. The answer is B. What is the theoretical boundary around a black hole beyond which nothing can escape, not even light? An event horizon, singularity, Schwarzschild radius. The answer is A. Congratulations! You've completed the ultimate science quiz. Whether you aced it or learned something new, we hope you had fun along the way. Thanks for playing, and don't forget to share your score in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next quiz or science video. See you next time.